Alright, so we're going to do an unboxing of the Elite Trainer pack for the Darkness Ablaze Pokemon Shield. I already opened the box. I figure everybody just wants to get right to the Pokemon cards themselves, so I figured I'd get to the fun part here. And clearly I still don't know how to open these. I was told to do it a specific way, and oh, no, it did work. Okay, cool. Alright, so, and that peeled right down the middle. Look at that, people. I'm getting better at opening this stuff. And I figured out the little card trick here. So you get rid of this little promo card. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Not 3. I was doing 3. And then you guess the energy card, which, electric. Damn! Look at that. Got it. I'm not supposed to cuss on these. I know kids are watching this. I'm sorry. I apologize, people. So, we got the electric energy. Get that out of the way. Ooh, there we go. We got Fletch Finder, Gothorita, Kabu, Purloin, Starry, Aaron, Pikachu, Rowlet, and what's the last one? Nice, we got a reverse holo Grand Bull. Oh, that's not the last one. I jumped the gun on that one. So I got that reverse holo Grand Bull, which is pretty cool. And then the last one we got, nice. Got that holographic Serena, if that's how you pronounce it. Oh, that's not holographic. Jumped the gun on that one too. So we got the reverse holo Grand Bull in the first one. That's okay. So we got 8 total packs in this Elite Trainer pack, and this one doesn't come with a promo foil card, which I was surprised to find that out. I thought that they all kind of came with a promo foil card. Apparently, I was wrong. So that's okay. On to the next one. So get that promo card all the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we got a grass energy card. Ha ha! Looky there. I got 2 in a row. All right. Let's see what we got. We got a rare fossil. Nice. Here, let me get these up so you guys can see this better. Big parasol. Nice. Skarmory. I like Skarmory. Kabuchu. Wimpod. Bunnelby. Grimer. And Melmetal. Well, that one was disappointing. But that's okay. 6 more packs to go. Let's see what we got. On to the next one. Alright, so I don't know when this one came out compared to the rest of them. I know that it was saying, you know, get these new VMAX cards. And it had Charizard listed on there, so I guess maybe this is the one where Charizard came out in his Gigantamax form. I'm not entirely certain, to be honest. So I'm getting slightly better at opening the packs there. As you guys can see, I'm still struggling and likely will for the rest of my life because simple tasks are taxing. All right, so water energy. Dang it. All right, well, couldn't win them all. Okay, let's see here. Flaffy, Jigglypuff, Diglett, Pampors, Spinarak. No. Oh, well, that one's a reverse holo. So, got a reverse holo Struggle Glove and Ampharos. So, wow, this one's really hurting. Walmart's not doing me any favors today with this pack. All right, on to the next one. Number 4. Let's see what we get here. So, I'm trying to get Charizard. That'd be great, but I'd be really happy with an Eternatus. I don't have an Eternatus at all. I actually just started collecting. I collected a lot more whenever I was a kid, and all those got lost, and I didn't call what energy it was, and I was thinking Psychic, and I know the internet will never believe me, so that's disappointing because I won't get credit for being right on this one. Okay, let's turn this around. Grimer, Durmaka, Sentret, Rowlet. Ooh, look at that. Reverse holo Laron. That's nice. Okay, cool. Not mad about that one. On to the next pack. This one's really hurting. Man, I've had some not great ones so far, but this is probably my worst. Hopefully, I got this one and, well, let me see. This one and 3 more packs. Hopefully we start getting something on the back end here, because I'm just hurting on the inside a little bit. All right, let's call it Fire Energy. I've only missed one so far, though I know the internet will only give me credit for 3 because I didn't actually call the Psychic one, and that's continuously disappointing. All right, so Powerful Energy. Nice. Torchic. Starry. Another Skarmory. Electrike. Tauros. That's a pretty cool looking Tauros. Obviously, it's not the best thing in the world, but I don't care. Reverse Holo Tauros is pretty cool. And another Ampharos. Okay. Come on. These last 3 have got to have something worthwhile in them. Otherwise, I'm just gonna cry myself to sleep tonight, folks. I don't really know what else to say on the matter. I'm not appeasing the Pokemon gods today. Nobody's looking down on poor old Sean. We got a Water Energy. No, we don't. We got a Fighting Energy. Well, there goes my luck. All right. Got another energy card. Parasect. Spinarak. Come on. Well. Nice. Oh, if you guys heard that, that's my dog. And then we got a reverse holo. Kinkling, whatever his name is. And it's one. Man, all right. Two more packs. And I am just hurting. I don't even know if I should put this shame on the internet. Because I have gotten jack out of this so far. Come on. God pack. It's not a God pack. That's why I see the bottom card. But come on, give me something good here. Okay, and I forgot to call the energy again. Look at me. All right. Nope. Clank. Gothorita. Dino. Jigglypuff. Clank. Nope. That's pretty cool. Reverse holo. Merle. Ooh. And we got a holographic toxicity. So, that was pretty cool. I like that one. Nice. All right. Last pack. Come on, God pack. I don't even know if they have God packs in this one or not. All right. Last one. What we got here? It's going to be something good. I feel it. It's got to be something good. That or I'm just going to, like I said, cry myself to sleep. Spoiler, it's not a God pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Come on, give me something good. Otherwise, I am definitely crying myself to sleep. All right, we got a Psychic Energy. Nope, Fire. Why do I bother? Got a non-holographic Struggle Glove. Nope. Skitty. Dino. Another Jigglypuff. Dunsparce. Clink. Got a reverse holo Meltan. So, pretty cool. Hey. Nice. Got a holographic Tyranitar. So, this guy's probably the best thing that I got out of here. Obviously, not the best thing in the world, but I don't have a Tyranitar yet. So, it's enough for me. Thanks for watching.